Top 3 best juices to stop gout and joint pains once and for all. Gout is a form of acute arthritis that causes severe pain and swelling in the joints. Although it commonly affects the big toe, it may also affect other parts of the limbs, especially at joints such as the ankle, knee, wrist, or elbow. With some people, it may also affect the spine and cause a severe back pain. Gout attacks may come on suddenly and go away after a few days, but with each attack, the sufferer may suffer debilitating pain and it keeps recurring. If you are suffering from gout attacks, it may be useful for you to know that it occurs when there are high levels of uric acid circulating in the blood and some get lodged in the tissues of the joints. Food that cause uric acid. Uric acid is formed when the body breaks down waste products from food that contain purine. Purine is a colorless crystalline compound that forms into uric acid when it is oxidized in an acidic body. In a normal, healthy person, the kidneys are able to filter uric acid from the blood and excrete it in the urine. However, when there is an overload of uric acid in the body or the kidneys are not efficient enough at filtering, gout attacks are felt. Some of the foods high in purine content are generally foods high in protein, such as meat products, especially organ meats, seed foods, peanuts, peas, lentils, flour, and sugar products. Also avoid alcohol, caffeine, and tobacco. If you suffer from gout, then drink these juice recipes regularly till you see an improvement and continue some more. Juice recipes to stop gout attacks. All the ingredients in these juice recipes for the kidneys help prevent oxidation and formation of uric acid crystallines. Juice to reduce uric acid crystallization. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 8 to 10 ribs of celery, 1 green apple, a squeeze of lemon juice, 1 inch fresh ginger root, pain reducing pineapple juice. Pineapple juice contains bromelain and is an excellent natural painkiller. Use only freshly squeezed pineapple juice. Avoid canned or frozen pineapple as they have lost these pain reducing enzymes. Ginger contains gingerol and antioxidant properties that help relieve various inflammatory disorders like gout, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. It provides substantial relief in pain caused by inflammation and help decrease swelling and morning stiffness. Ingredients: half small pineapple, 1 small cucumber, 1 lime, half inch ginger. Bitter gourd juice to stop gout inflammation. Bitter gourd juice is liver cleansing. It helps clean up toxic blood, improves blood circulation, and relieves gout pain. Ingredients: 1 green apple, 6 ribs celery, 1 small or half a large cucumber, 1/4 small bitter gourd, 1/4 lemon with peel, thumb-sized ginger root.